Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the upgrade on my automatic watering system. Now I've included the remote control here, so when I turn on the on button there, it beeps. Then when I say cool on, the pump starts. Then from there we can water the thing, the vegetables. Then from there, if you can go there, the water stops. Then after that, the water starts again. Then there's also a float switch. It stops the motor and it beeps. Let me show you. Please wait. That's how it's going and the water is coming out. Okay, it will be about to beep now. Just on beep. That's a beep and it stops the water automatically. That means the tank is low. You need to put some more water. It's an empty tank and it switches off the pump automatically with the float switch sensor. So I just press here, off, and it switches off. Okay, then let me go and switch off from the socket. Okay, switching off. Subscribe for more videos. See you next time in a nice interesting video. And this was my first project using a remote control. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Happy making.